The community, especially if you post anything, usually there's at least somebody on there either congratulating you or giving you a tip or something like that. The people are really nice. I have not seen anything negative on there. It's all very positive, all very uplifting. And then when you see other people's wins, it makes you like, oh, I can't wait until I could put my win on there. I've been looking for a job for a very long time, and then we got laid off in August. So it's been like an extra grind since then. I got a call from a temp agency, and they were like, "Oh, we see that you just moved to the area and like you have all the skills necessary for this position." For quite a while, I was struggling with the type of job that I was in and a lot of ethical considerations with it because I was working for the NIH through a contracting company, and there was a lot of animal testing and just stuff that I generally didn't agree with. So that's kind of what spurred me initially on a job search. And then as that progressed, I was like thinking about moving abroad as well. So it's kind of like so many different life things were happening at one time, and I was really struggling with getting my resume to reflect any experiences that I had. Also, just in general, having any sort of confidence in networking or reaching out to people. I knew that something needed to change, and I was really scared. Something's not working. Something needs to happen. If I put an investment toward it, you kind of have it in your brain that you should use your investment. There were some modules where we had to kind of look into ourselves. It was very introspective and just figuring out like, oh my gosh, what was it? It's like the personality types and stuff like that. It analyzed me and and it really gave me a perspective on myself that I was like, okay, that was accurate. And it was kind of nice to see and then to actually know more about myself and then how to use that to like job type stuff. At first, I was just trying to go through all the modules as fast as I could to get to the resume portion because I felt like that was the most important part, but really all of it's important. And I think the way that the space is set up and the way that everybody is so positive, it doesn't feel like you're bragging too much. It just feels like you fit in and your win can be celebrated. And then on the calls are very nice as well. And I feel like they're helpful. It's nice that you can submit your questions and know that there's going to be time made for something that you want. It's a great starting point, and I feel like once I have this stability, it's going to be so much easier to breathe and just know that I have this income coming in, and I don't have to just be sitting here worrying, okay, where's my next paycheck coming from? Like, where am I getting any income from? Because I was completely without income for a couple of months now. So just that stability is going to be amazing. The Job Academy actually pushed me through and got me to where I am. It can be really scary at first and it can be overwhelming. And I mean, that's just a part of growing and investing in yourself and just pushing forward. So if you're hesitant, give it a thought, but just do it. There's a reason that you signed up and to even learn more about it. Just do it.